Who's ready for apple pie season? I know girls can grill and the barbecue guys are, but this apple pie is different. Not only am I using apples, I'm also using beef tallow. Let's go. First, I'm slicing, peeling, and coring the apples with this handy little machine. It's okay if there's a little bit of skin left on, and then just cut them into quarters and throw them all into a bowl. These are one of my bare bones mixing bowls. I've got the sugars, the cornstarch, and the spices, and you're gonna mix that all up just so that all of the apples are nice and coated. Then make the crumble topping. Flour, sugar, butter. This is where you add the beef tallow. Then, along with some cinnamon, we're gonna add some Barbecue Guys Spiceology Signature Habanero Honeybee. Mix that all up with a fork until it gets nice and crumbly. Then dump those seasoned apples right into a pie crust, top it with that tallow crumble, then hit it with a little more Habanero Honeybee, covering it loosely with foil, cooking it over an indirect heat, elevated on a pie tin on a sheet pan. This way, the bottom of it won't burn. I'm at 375 for an hour. Uncover it, cook it another 15-20 minutes. Then it's ready. Let it cool just a little bit and then pull out a slice. Be sure to top it a la mode. You gotta get some vanilla ice cream on there. This is one of my favorite fall desserts, perfect for Thanksgiving and any holiday meal. You can get the whole recipe at barbecueguys.com.